When it comes to listening to music in bed, different people have different preferences. While some prefer silence, others often find relaxing music to be pretty useful for falling asleep. In situations like these, pillow speakers offer a seamless solution where individuals can listen to music privately without disturbing the peace of others. Recently, we got our hands on the wireless pillow speaker from Avantree, and it seems to tick most of the boxes of being a reliable pillow speaker. It offers a good level of comfort and quality sounds that we found to be soothing. We are really excited to show it to you and help you decide whether you should get it for your smart home. The pillow speaker comes in this fairly sized box, and inside of it we found this soft slumber cushion along with these flat slumber speakers that maintain a low profile. Other than these two, we also found this tiny remote control with plenty of buttons on top of it. We'll go through these more in depth later on in the video. And lastly, we have also found this 60cm 3.5mm aux cable for wired connectivity. With these aside, let's focus on the pillow speaker itself. As you can see, this is essentially a two-part system consisting of the slumber cushion and the slumber speakers that fit snugly inside the cushion. The first thing that struck us was the slumber cushion itself. It's padded with foam that feels squishy and comfortable to the touch. The quality of the cushion is also quite commendable, and it's surely built to last. Now, let's talk about the slumber speakers. They come as a pair, tethered together by a single cable. Now, what we liked about them is the flexibility they offer in terms of connectivity. We found three options to choose from: Bluetooth mode, the aux cable that we saw earlier. It's as easy as picking your preferred mode and you're good to go. The Bluetooth connectivity works seamlessly, and we had no issues whatsoever pairing it with our smartphone. Once paired up, we tucked the entire unit inside our pillow and they fit snugly, and we could hardly tell they were there. One of the standard features of this pillow speaker is the built-in white noise option. Falling asleep to the serene sounds of waves, nature, and running water has become my new nightly ritual. It creates a peaceful environment that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. But it's not just about white noise. The pillow speaker also allowed us to immerse ourselves in our favorite audio content without disturbing anyone around. The high-quality sound that comes straight from the pillow is a game changer. It's like having a personal audio oasis right in your bed. The dual speaker system in this pillow speaker is commendable. It delivered exceptional sound quality that truly enhanced the listening experience. When we were in the mood for music, the balanced sound mode provided a clear and well-rounded audio experience. And when we switched to audiobooks, the clear voice mode was pretty clear to hear even from beneath the pillowcase. The best part was that the speakers fitted seamlessly into the pillow, so we did not even realize they were there. So no more uncomfortable headphones or earbuds digging into our heads while sleeping. Apart from that, controlling the pillow speaker with the included remote felt pretty seamless as well. But the coolest feature that we liked the most was the timer mode. We found a total of 4 modes to choose from, running from 30 minutes to all the way up to 120 minutes. We preferred the 30-minute timer the most, and after listening to some soothing music, the speaker turned off automatically. This was a nice touch that further added to our smart home automation. Overall, we've been thoroughly impressed with the Avantree wireless pillow speaker, and it has added a new dimension to our bedtime routine, and we look forward to winding down with it every night. Whether you're a music lover, audiobook enthusiast, or just someone who values a good night's sleep, this pillow speaker is worth considering.